Top crypto and Web3 companies to watch in 2022. Crypto.com. Crypto.com presents itself as the world's fastest crypto app. The app specializes in cryptocurrency exchange and has over 50 million users and nearly 4,000 employees. Moreover, they support the idea that it is the people's fundamental right to be in control of their money, identity, and personal data. Also, Crypto.com allows users to buy, sell, and showcase NFTs, present top NFT collections and creators, and post the latest news in the growing industry. Coinbase. Coinbase is a digital platform that allows users to conduct buying-selling operations. Moreover, you can find educational materials on the basics of working with cryptocurrency, advice, and market updates. Coinbase is a perfect solution not only for private users, but also for business people and developers. Gemini. Gemini was founded in 2014 and specializes in cryptocurrency exchange. The function Gemini Clearing allows two parties to schedule payment. In this case, the company presents itself as an unbiased third party that ensures safe and timely transactions. Blockfi. Blockfi attracted many investors, such as Coinbase, Venture, Kinetic, PJC, and SoFi. The company provides a service called crypto-backed loans, which allows the platform's users to borrow money at low rates. BlockFi also has a service, Refer a Friend, that allows users to earn money by attracting new customers to the company. Cervantez. Despite being a young company, Cervantez manages to attract many users thanks to its original offer. Football and baseball lovers will especially appreciate this platform created in 2019. Cervantez is a fantasy game that allows participants to buy, trade, sell, and manage a team with the help of digital player cards. Autograph. Autograph is one more platform connected with sports. However, its services are not limited to sports. As the platform brings together celebrities in entertainment and culture with the most popular brands, it is a great way of informing acquaintances with people who share similar interests and combining your hobbies with such trendy technologies as blockchain and NFTs. Entree. Entree represents itself as the Web3 professional network and allows its users to build strong connections with other people and find the resources they need to succeed in Web 3.0. In addition, Entree provides access to numerous job opportunities, even part-time positions, and helps its customers build successful careers. There is also an opportunity to go live, schedule events, charge tickets, and use screen sharing. Alchemy. Alchemy is a platform layer that helps developers create applications useful for the blockchain revolution. One of the most interesting features Alchemy presents is the supernode. The company describes its supernode as the most widely used Web3 API with supercharged reliability, data correctness, and scalability. NiftyLab. NiftyLab is a company that helps people create their NFT and metaverse projects. The company addresses itself as a team of blockchain experts who create meaningful transformative experiences. Also, the company offers to create your personalized metaverse asset. NiftyLab's experts produce high-quality illustrations, animations, and highly detailed 3D models. Passbase. Passbase is a company that helps brands securely verify customers' identities with the help of ID documents, selfies on social media, and government databases. AML compliance allows users to monitor politically exposed persons and suspicious behavior with the help of various media